Cold open, spaghetti carbonara, the classic Italian dish that's rich, creamy, and oh so delicious. Start with 8 ounces of spaghetti. While it's cooking, fry up 4 slices of chopped bacon until it's crispy. Toss in 2 cloves of minced garlic and let it sizzle until it's golden and fragrant. Next, whip up a sauce of 2 large eggs and a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Season it with salt and black pepper to taste. Once the spaghetti is done, drain it, but save some of that starchy pasta water. Combine the noodles with the bacon and garlic, then pour in the egg and cheese mixture. Stir it up quickly. The heat from the pasta will cook the sauce just enough. Add a bit of the reserved pasta water if it's looking too thick. Finish it off with a sprinkle of chopped parsley for garnish, and there you have it. A perfect spaghetti carbonara. Remember, it's all about the timing. Too slow and you'll have scrambled eggs. Too fast and the sauce won't thicken. It's a delicate balance, but one that's worth mastering. So grab your fork and get ready to twirl up some deliciousness. Until next time, buon appetito!